Alright, I'm right back with you guys. We have you creating and solving inequalities involving distributive property. So here we go. We're going to show you when they did. Trina is buying 12 shirts for the drama club. Okay. She will choose a style of the blank shirts and then pay an additional charge of $2.75 for each shirt to have the club logo. So whatever she's paying a certain amount for the shirts and then $2.75 for the logo. If she cannot spend more than $99, however, so how much can she spend on each blank shirt? Ooh, that's a good question. Remember, it is, in fact, they've got it written down here, look. It is the blank shirt plus the logo she pays for each shirt. So this is how much a shirt costs, and that's how much a logo costs, and she's buying 12, and she cannot spend $99. So, to do this, if you distribute that in, you get 12s plus 33 is less than or equal to 99. Right? Then we subtract the 33. You get 12s is less than or equal to 66. You divide by 12. You get s is $5.50. Kind of easy, right? Now we have one for us to do. That was an example. All right. Sergio needs to buy gifts for 8 friends. I'm going to underline gifts for 8 friends. He wants to give the same gift. Same gift. That means we're going to have something in there that costs G probably to all his friends, and he plans to have the gifts. Forever said, bless you, thank you. Wrap for an additional charge of $1.50. So already I know this. I know we have the gift, and each gift gets charged $1.50 for the wrapping. Oh, and we have 8 friends. I think we're actually good. If Sergio spends at least $70, that means he might spend more. He will receive free shipping on his order. I do this all the time. I order B stuff and I have to spend $100, so I always make sure I buy enough to get $100. Write and solve an inequality to determine how much Sergio needs to spend on each gift in order to receive shipping. So, we've written the inequality. Alright? And if I distribute this 8 through, I get 8G plus 12 is less than or equal to 70. That means I'm going to have to subtract that 12, right, to get the 8G, which gives me 58. And then I divide by 8. And it is equal to, let's find out. I got a little calculator here, although not my good one. 58 divided by 8, about 7 1/4. So he's got to spend 7.25 on each one. That's the gift. That's a little weird. They don't have it like that. Well, you know what they did? They said, we're going to keep it whole numbers. See what they did? So we should be approximately, but I come down here and I see they took that 7.25 and they made it into whole numbers right here. They chose to do 8. So it said check your answer. This would be 950. So 9.5, that's these two added together, times 8, and that would give me, wow, the wrong answer. That would give me about $76. Must spend at least, I'm going to come down here with my decimal. Oh, there it is, right? There's the actual answer down here. I like that. So they checked a larger number. So we're going to come back here and say 7.25 on each gift. All right. Why is the first step solving why is the first step in solving an equation use distributive property instead of working inside the parentheses? Well, if you look up here, we can't work inside the parentheses, right? That's what the distributive property is for. Because we're not allowed to add, we have to multiply first, right? So, I'm going to write, you can't add. How easy is that? Cannot add G and 1.5. We've got to get around it. All right, this is our turn. Let's write this out. We got this, and then I'm going to finish up this page here. Zachary is planning to send a video game to each of his 2 brothers. All right, send a video game to 2 brothers. If he buys the boy the same game for both boys and pays $4.75 to ship each game, how much can he spend on each game without spending more than $100? So 2 brothers cost a game plus $4.75 shipping, and he can't spend more than $100. Look at the inequality we used, right? Can't spend more than that. If I distribute that into both places, that is 2G plus 75 twice is $1.50, so 9.5 is less than or equal to $100. I'm going to subtract 9.5 and we get 2G is less than or equal to $90.5 and divide by 2, right? And we're almost there. And we get G is less than or equal to, oh, that's got to be what, $45.75 is what that, no, I lied, $45.25. There it is. So that's 2, let's check it, $45.25 plus $45.75, oh, I'm sorry, $4.75, and let's see if it equals it. I'm just plugging it right back into this equation. So these guys right here add up to 2 times 50, which is definitely 100. We're good. Alright, so we got 2 equalities down here to solve, and then we're done with this. Alright, first we distribute. Sorry, I didn't leave much space here. It's kind of easy. I'm going to teach you a trick. Whenever you're multiplying by a fraction, it's easier to divide by the bottom than multiply the top. For instance, 6 divided by 3 is 2, times 4 is 8x. 9 divided by 3 is 3, times 4 is 12, less than 4. Alright, going to get a negative number here. Subtract 12, and I get 8x is less than negative 8, divided by 8, divided by 8. X is less than negative 1. Done. Same thing over here. Ooh, this is a tricky one. They did it to us and they didn't teach us. So I'm going to say a rule here that I'm going to show a lot in class. Unless there's another time to talk about it. I thought they were going to avoid it the whole time, but it's right here. I'm going to show you what it is. Alright, and I will do an example in class on why this works. So, negative 2 times this is negative 1/2 x. Negative 2 times this is negative 1 is greater than 5. We add 1. Oh, I don't like this actually, but maybe me talking this much about it will make you remember. You multiply by the reciprocal times negative 2 times negative 2. Whenever you multiply by a negative, something happens to this inequality sign. It turns around. And I'm going to show you in class why. I'm not going to do it right now because it needs to be kind of a drawn out thing so it sticks in your brain. But I'm going to show you the steps to why. And I may do it on the next video. We'll see. But we're at over 8 minutes. So I'm going to pause this. We only have 1 page to go. Talk to you guys soon.